In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can charge your phone in sleep mode with a laptop lid closed. So let's get started. So if you want to charge your phone in sleep mode with a laptop lid closed, then how can it be possible? So in the process that we're going to do is we need to go to the Windows search bar and we need to simply type device manager. Now click on device manager under the best match. Then expand the list for universal serial bus controllers by clicking on the arrow on the left side on it, and you'll find the USB root hub. Once you find the USB root hub, right click and then go to properties. Now you will notice that there is a power management tab. Click on that and you will find the option allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. If this is selected or enabled on your Windows, just simply uncheck it to allow the computer or to turn off this device to save power. To not allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So again, if this is allowed or the computer is allowed to turn off this device to save power, then simply uncheck it to not allow the computer to turn off this device and save power. By doing this, so you are going to, or you can charge your phone in sleep mode with the laptop lid closed. So simply click on OK to apply the changes and then close the device manager window, and that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.